Forgotten username recovery failed on RBC US Fix. If you've tried recovering your RBC US username and it keeps failing, don't worry, you're not the only one. The surprising truth is that most recovery errors come from minor issues like mismatched information or browser glitches. Here's how to fix it quickly and safely. Start by heading to the official RBC US banking login page and clicking on Forgot Username. You'll be asked to enter personal details such as your account number, social security number, and date of birth. Make sure every detail matches what's on your account record. Even a small typo or using an old email can cause the recovery to fail. If the system says it can't verify your details, try entering the information you used when you first opened your account. For example, if you've changed your last name or updated your phone number recently, use the older details instead. RBC system cross-references your original records. If you're waiting on a recovery email and it never arrives, check your spam or junk folder for messages from RBC Bank. Sometimes, email filters mistake them for promotional messages. If nothing arrives after 10 to 15 minutes, don't retry repeatedly. RBC system will temporarily lock multiple failed attempts for security. You can also try using a different web browser or clearing your cache and cookies before trying again. This can solve hidden form or autofill errors that block verification. If none of these fixes work, your best option is to contact RBC US customer service at 1-800-760-925-53. Their agents can verify your identity over the phone and help reset your username directly. Once you're back in, take a minute to update your recovery email and phone number. It's a small step that can make future recovery much easier. So, if your RBC US username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. With the right information and a little patience, you can fix it in minutes and get back to managing your account smoothly.